If you're looking for a few inexpensive, easy ways to spice up your EV's interior, then this EV Rider episode is for you. Now that I've got more than 66,000 miles on my 2022 Mustang Mach-E, I thought the time was right to add just a touch of bling to the interior to keep it feeling fresh. So let's head inside the garage and check out the modifications. Interior LED lighting has become a big theme in new cars, making some of them absolutely stunning at night.
So no surprise, but the aftermarket has quickly caught up with inexpensive, easy-to-install products.
I've added 6 pieces of LED lighting to my interior for less than $100.
Let's start with my favorite addition, which is this acrylic LED strip light.
It was easy to install, taking roughly an hour, with most of that time taken by me doing some test placements.
It easily snaps into crevices such as the one in my dashboard, or if your car's opening is a little bit wider, it also includes adhesive tape to make sure that it's securely attached.
What I like about this particular kit is no complicated wiring hookups into a fuse box or battery is needed. You can easily hide the wires under your dash and side panels and then plug it into your car's USB port.
Once you've got it installed, it will turn on and off automatically since it's powered by your car's accessory port.
What really makes it fun? It basically has an unlimited number of color combinations and patterns, so you can match or contrast it with your car's other lighting. It also includes an app and remote control, along with about 5 different levels of brightness, so it's not too dim during the day or too bright at night.
Now, one thing I don't like, it requires GPS to be turned on your phone in order for the app to actually work, which makes me wonder if maybe they're trying to track me. So I don't use the app. And even if I did, it doesn't work with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It only works on your phone, which kind of defeats the purpose. But thankfully, the included remote control is very easy to operate. And if you were so inclined, you could add those to all kinds of things, such as your console or your door. But keep in mind, the more you add, the more wiring you'll need to hop.
Next up on the list, custom LED cup holder lights. You can submit whatever logo and letters you want. The light pucks are custom made. They're powered by rechargeable batteries with USB connectors. When your car is in motion at night, they illuminate and then shut off for about 30 seconds when the car is still, or during daylight hours, thanks to their light and motion sensors. They feature 7 different colors. The manufacturer claims a single charge should last a month or more with normal use. Next up are the LED custom door sill plates, which, like the cup holders, can be custom ordered. So for example, you can see in my case, I had it scripted EV Rider. The door sill lights also include a light sensor so they turn off when the door is closed, but illuminate when it's open. They come with adhesive so you can snap them into place and easily remove them for charging. In my case, I opted to put magnetic tape on the back of them instead. That tape, by the way, was not included. Like the LED acrylic light strip, the door sills have a seemingly limitless amount of available colors and patterns, and like the cup holder lights, they can be customized when ordering.
Although I'm not specifically recommending any of these products, I have put links to each of them in the description field here on YouTube and on the web at evrider.tv. And if you've enjoyed this episode, please go ahead and give this video a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so I can bring you more how-to videos like this one and more adventures in EV motoring. Thanks as always for watching EV Rider.